Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, we're having a market breakdown and top-down analysis of V251S index. So do it to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis. So V251S basically, what's the market situation? As I do say, whenever I want to analyze the market, we start from the higher time frame. So you can see the overall market picture, the market structure, and be able to spot out our zones and key levels. So V251S on the weekly time frame, we can see that the market has been a kind of in a range. The market has been ranging. So we have to identify our lows and highs of the market. We have this our level at this point and our level of support at this zone, as well as the last high the market formed here. So we have three major zones and levels in the market on the weekly time frame. This zone has a level of resistance. You have seen the market reacting to this zone, selling off whenever it gets to this level and buying on from this our level, as a support, resistance. At this point acted as a resistance too. This is the last high the market formed. This is the highest high of the market. So what's the market situation? Basically, our focus and attention is on this level, this particular zone. That's why we have our interest on the market. This level identified. What's the market situation? Basically, you can see that the market has been selling off for some time now. The market has been bearish for weeks. Let's check how long the market has been bearish for. Like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, about 10 weeks now. This is about 2 to 3 months. The market has been bearish. The market has been selling off. We got this level as a level of resistance. The market has always been selling off at this zone. When it got to this level, it was supposed to give us the usual sell that's been given. It was supposed to give us the usual sell back to this our level of support, but the market failed at this point. It failed to give us the sell-off at this zone, but instead gave us a move to the upside. It gave us a breakout of this our level of resistance, and whenever resistance level is broken, it turns to support. But in this case, market failed to make this level as level of support, identifying that this is a fake breakout. After the market gave us a breakout of this our level, it was supposed to give us a retest at this level, a retest at this zone as a support, resistance turned support for a continuation to the upside. But the market failed. It was supposed to give us a retest like resistance turned support at this point, but instead broke back inside this our range. So this is actually a fake breakout. We got a fake breakout at this zone. It was a fake breakout at this point because the market was supposed to react to this level as a resistance and give us a reversal to the downside on how it got this upward move. But the move continued to the upside, then reversed back to the downside, kind of breaking out of this our zone. So as I've identified this market move as a fake breakout, what's our market expectations? What do we expect? I've seen that the market has always been selling up from this zone to the downside, coming back to buy from this zone to the upside. On how we got the fake breakout, we should expect the market to give us a further move to the downside, because normally it was supposed to give us the move to the downside from this zone, but it failed. So what do we expect of the market of V251S? We have to go to the daily time frame to see the market structure, to see the market formation, and this is what the market is saying. So on the daily time frame, basically, remember we have this level as a key zone, as an important level. So we have two scenarios basically on the daily time frame. Either we get the market give us a reversal back to the upside from this our current market level, to come test this our level of resistance for a further move to the downside, or we get the market give us a further move from this zone to the downside. So how to approach this market? So we can see that we have a zone as well that the market has always been expecting, a zone of resistance. The market has always been selling off from this zone, which is an important zone. So we have to identify it. The market got to this level, gave us a sell to the downside, came back to retest this our zone again for a sell to the downside. Expecting V251S to give us a further sell to come test this our level of support in the coming weeks and days. So that's my view on 251S on the daily time frame, on the higher time frame. So let's go to the forward time frame to see the market formation, to see the market structure, because we're having a top-down analysis, so we have to analyze from the higher time frame down to the lowest time frame. So on the forward time frame, basically we have this zone that the market has always been expecting, which you have to identify. This level has always been expected in the past on V251S. You can see the market give us a buy from this zone, give us another buy, the market reacting to this zone as a support. Finally, the market gave us a break out of this our level. There was a breakout of this our level of support, now turned resistance. You can see there was a breakout. Then the market gave us a retest back to this zone for a sell to the downside. So this is like support turned resistance, because there was a breakout of this our level of support. And finally, the market gave us a break back inside this our zone, inside this our level of support. So we could see that the market is kind of reacting to this level. So basically, we have to expect the market to give us a move to the upside kind of resistance level turned support, because the market has always been reacting to this zone as a level of support. Now broke below it, turned resistance. So at this point, the market was actually resistance before it broke back inside this our zone. Kind of it broke this our level of resistance that's automatically turned to a support level. Now we got the market give us a retest to this zone, a proper retest to this our level. And bringing up our Fibonacci 2, we could check our possible level of retracement from the swing lows to the swing high. You can see that the market is actually reacting on the 61.8 level. We kind of got the rejection at this zone. You can see that the market is giving us this bullish build up at this point. So coming to the 1 hour time frame, basically, what do we expect on V25.S? Because I said earlier on that we're expecting the market to give us a sell-off to our level of support on the weekly time frame. But short term, we are expecting the buys of V25.S, at least for the market to come test our level of resistance and possibly our higher level of resistance, our weekly time frame level of resistance before the sells happen. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the market give us this descending channel formation, and descending channels are reversal patterns, are reversal formations. So descending channel is approaching a level of support. We could see a possible reversal in the market in the coming hours on V25.1S. And as well, we have gotten the market give us this double bottom formation, which is a nice reversal pattern too, which is a nice reversal formation. So at the moment, everything is looking bullish on V25.1S. We could see a possible buy in the coming hours on V25.1S. So let's expect the market to give us a break out of this our level of resistance, as well as our neckline, the neckline of our double bottom formation that we got at this point. So we could see the market give us a break out of this our descending channel, as well as the break of our neckline for a good buy in the coming hours on V25.1S. Coming to the 15-minute time frame, basically how it's approached the market, we have to wait for the market to give us a breakout, a clear breakout of this our level of resistance, then a retest on its resistance turned support before we can take our buys. So we'll be holding the buys on V25.1S to this point. We'll be holding the buys on V25.1S to this our level of resistance already identified at this zone. So looking at for buys on V25.1S, let's get the proper break and retest of this our zone for a good buy. So that's my view on 25.1S. That's my analysis basically. Please do hit to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, a big shout out to you guys for always engaging in my videos. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.